Hi, and welcome to Smart Ways to Gain YouTube Subscribers. I'm John. This is part 2, and it is called Rising Above the Noise Level. And when I mean rising above the noise level is starting out with a fledgling channel, it's very difficult to get any views on your videos because really no one knows anything about you. Your videos kind of go out there and they aren't on anyone's list, no one's subscribed to you, no one's in your favorite lists, and they just don't know that your video has even been created. So this is a few techniques that I've learned along the way of kind of getting the ball rolling for a channel, and you've kind of gone through the first step and you've made your video, and now what do you do with it? And this is going to be the short list of things to do. So let's look at number 1, smart packaging. So what do I mean by smart packaging for a video? Well, a video basically has its two components. It has the video itself, which is video and audio in most cases, and then it has all the extraneous tags, title, preview icon that basically people usually read or see before they even click on your video. And it's very important to kind of think about the quality that goes into this, and anyone can do it. And so let's take a look at basically the first one, which is the title of the video, and some examples of ways to kind of spice that up. So just like the title of a book, it's very important to use creative titles when describing your video. Instead of saying something like, my trip to San Francisco, say, my exciting adventures in San Francisco. It's just a little thing, it's a little bit more descriptive, a little bit more exciting in the wording, and I think that it helps your video stand out amongst the thousands of videos of San Francisco that come up if someone searches for it. So it's something really easy to do, but also people kind of don't take the time to kind of think of some descriptive adjectives to put on their title and make it stand out just a little bit more. Be as descriptive as possible in describing your video because it enables YouTube search engine to find your video if someone searches on the given topic that you have recorded. And also include your username as part of the tags because in one click it allows another user to basically search the entire YouTube database for all the videos you've uploaded. Another incredibly important aspect of a video is the preview icon, and that is the centermost frame of your video, the very middle spot. So say if you have a video that is 7 minutes long, it is going to be the 3-minute and 30-second mark of that video. That frame will be taken and captured and created basically a thumbnail that everyone will see before they actually watch your video. It's incredibly important that you take care and make sure that that is an important frame or something related to your video, if at all possible. Number 2, the art of the video response. A great video response is an excellent way to get a fledgling channel off the ground and gain your first set of subscribers. But there are also many considerations when doing a video response to maximize its effect. Let's look at the list. Selecting the right video to respond to is very important, and it involves a number of criteria to consider. 1, is this a popular video, or is this going to be a popular video? And usually this is determined by the number of subscribers the channel has. If the channel has 10,000 subscribers, it's very likely that thousands of people will end up watching this video. Also, it's very important to choose videos that are less than a day old because most of the views occur within the first 24 to 48 hours. Second, is this video maker accept video responses? And it's easy to determine by looking at previous videos and seeing if there are video responses at all or counting the number. If there's only 1 or 2, sometimes the video makers are very selective of which videos they choose to accept as a response. Third, it's important to pick a video that is of similar theme to what your channel is already about. This will allow you to have an audience that already is interested in the topics that you like to cover. The one thing with video responses is you're competing against a lot of different other video responses in most cases, so it's important to be quality and to be as brief as possible. This means videos that are 1 to 3 minutes long max usually, unless you have something very important to say. Otherwise, people will just stop and move on to the next one. Third, if it's at all possible, it's a good idea to talk a little bit about your channel in your reply if it's appropriate. Hopefully this will generate a little bit of interest and people will check out the other videos you've already made. Number 3, interactivity is good. Creating videos that are interactive on YouTube are videos that encourage the user or person watching to give feedback, to create video responses, to leave comments, to answer questions, to share similar experiences, to interact in contests. I mean, the list goes on and on. Anything that's interactive is something where the user has to do something besides just passively watch the video that you have made it. It's a great way to meet new people on YouTube. It's a great way to encourage people to make video responses right off the bat when you don't have a lot of subscribers. There's many different ways, many different examples of how to do that on YouTube already. Just look at the most responded videos. in the top 100 lists, and usually a lot of those are very interactive in some way, like show your pet, tell an interesting story about a first date, or anything, how did you get your screen name. All those are great ideas to encourage people to leave a comment or create a video response. Okay, that wraps up part 2, and there will be a part 3 hopefully up this week that will go into further detail about how to basically meet new people on YouTube and gain subscribers through that, through the community of YouTube. So until next time, take care.